Hi guys, it's Annika, the August Youth Volunteer, and today we're going to be making a hand-traced bird. So what you're going to need for this craft is a sheet of colored paper to make the body, some black paper to make the beak, some colored pieces of paper to make the feathers, some scissors, a black marker, and some glue. What you're going to do first is grab your colored piece of paper, I'm using yellow for the body, and trace an outline for the bird. You're going to want to draw 3/4 of a circle and then a big oval for the body. Next, cut it out. After you've finished cutting, grab your black marker and draw an eye. Once you've finished with that, grab your black paper and draw a crescent shape for the beak. And then grab your scissors and cut that out too. Once you've finished cutting the beak, grab your glue and glue it right onto the head of the bird. Set that aside and grab your colored sheets of paper. Place one down and grab your black marker. Then place your hand down on the page and trace your hand with the black marker. Once you have finished tracing, take your scissors and cut it out. Once you've finished cutting, place your cutout on the back of the bird. My hand's a little big, so it looks a little funny, but that's okay. Then grab your glue stick and put it on the back of the bird, and then stick your feathers on. Then grab your second sheet of colored paper and repeat the same steps that you did for the first color. You can use as many colors as you like, but I just chose to use 2. You can place the second color wherever you want on the bird. It's okay if it overlaps. And there you have your hand-traced bird. I hope you enjoyed and thanks for watching.